Hi everyone! When you're going to make a level in your house or apartment, you have to follow some things. One of it is this: use right tools. In this video I want to show you what kind of right tools you have to use. First of all, it's laser level, 4D laser level. In another tools there is a self-leveling tripods. So first of all, you have to find the highest spot. In this video I found highest spot on this staircase. So from another side of this room you will see how the floor sloping down. It's around 1.5 inch. So for measuring level I am using 4D laser level. It's really good level because from the bottom laser line approximately only 6 millimeters, and it showed me all imperfection of the floor. Here is the tripods, very easy to set up. You just can adjust this tripods bottom plate on the middle of this tripods up and down, and set up this plate exactly on the laser line which you found on your subfloor. You see some bottom plates is very close to the subfloor, some is higher. So here is we find the level which is we have to fill up in this room. After set up all tripods, you have to fill up this area with self-leveling compound. Now it's very easy to see how much self-leveling compound you have to add. So when you fill up area, you have to only pour self-leveling compound till the bottom plate of each tripod. You have around 30-40 minutes to fill up all area before self-leveling compound start settle. If you want to do this process faster, you can use barrel like I am using on this video. This barrel for 1 bucket of water and for 3 bags of self-leveling compound. I am using, in this video I am using Mapei self-leveling compound. It's very good material and not so sensitive if you put a little bit less on or more water. When you fill up area with self-leveling compound, make sure the self-leveling compound attached to the all bottom plates of tripods. For walking over the liquid self-leveling compound, you can use spike shoes like I am using now when I am collecting tripods when I finish leveling. Also, to get best result and smooth it out all surface, you can use spike roller. When you order 12 tripods, you can get spike shoes and spike roller for free. For these amazing tools, tripods and 4D laser level, you can find links in description for this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me, I always answer you. See you on next video.